Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you an incredible way to create a faceless YouTube channel and realistically earn your first $100. We're going to harness the combined power of two amazing AI tools to make this happen. So, let's dive right in. Part 1. The Money-Making Potential. Meet Mr. Nightmare, a YouTuber with over 6 million subscribers who earns between $3,000 to $50,000 per month. He does it by sharing faceless horror stories. But here's the catch. His videos use entirely free stock footage found online. How can you get your slice of this pie? Let's break it down. To start earning on YouTube, you'll need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in a year. After that, you need about 25,000 views to reach your first $100. Let's look at a realistic example. Chilling Tape, a YouTuber with 5,000 subscribers, achieved this in just 2 months. You can do it too. Part 2. Using Apron for a scary story. Now, let's create a gripping story. We're going to use Apron, an incredible AI tool. First, download the Apron Google extension. It takes less than a minute. No account needed. Apron enhances ChatGPT's capabilities. Select a module, enter keywords, and voila! It's like magic. Here's our spooky story. You can adjust it as needed for maximum chills. Part 3. Transforming the story into a video with Pictory AI. Now, head to Pictory.ai and sign up for a free account. Click Script to Video. Paste your story. Choose a dark template with a 16:9 aspect ratio, perfect for YouTube. The AI creates scenes for you. Customize visuals if you want. You can even find custom visuals in the sidebar. Set the mood with tense background music and a voiceover. You can use AI voiceovers or record your own for a personal touch. Once you're satisfied, hit download to save your video. Here's the result of our AI-powered creation.
In the small, secluded town of Ravenswood, a chilling horror had taken root. The townsfolk spoke of eerie occurrences that plagued the area after dark, whispers that seemed to drift on the wind from the heart of the nearby forest. It was said that those who ventured too close to the woods at night were never the same again. The tale began with Emma, a curious and adventurous young woman who had just moved to Ravenswood to escape the bustling city life. She had heard the rumors of the haunted forest, but her scientific mind brushed them off as mere superstitions. One moonless night, her friends dared her to explore the woods and debunk the stories once and for all. With a flashlight in hand, Emma stepped into the dark embrace of the forest. The trees seemed to close in around her, their branches creaking in protest. As she walked deeper, the whispers grew louder, carrying an unsettling melody that sent shivers down her spine. Ignoring her unease, she pressed on, determined to prove the townsfolk wrong. But as the minutes turned into hours, Emma's bravado began to wane. The forest appeared to shift around her, the trail behind her fading into obscurity. Panic set in as she realized she was lost. The whispers escalated into a cacophony of voices, each one distinct yet unintelligible. Her flashlight flickered and died, plunging her into complete darkness. A sudden cold breeze swept through the forest, extinguishing the remaining shreds of Emma's courage. She called out for her friends, for anyone, but her voice seemed to be swallowed by the shadows. And then, a figure emerged from the darkness, a tall, gaunt silhouette with eyes that glowed like two fiery coals. The whispers coalesced into a single, chilling phrase, "One of us." Emma's heart raced as she stumbled backward, desperately trying to escape the encroaching horror. But the figure moved with an otherworldly swiftness, always just at the edge of her vision. She ran, branches scratching her skin, thorns tearing at her clothes. The forest seemed to twist and warp around her, a labyrinth designed to ensnare her. Exhausted and terrified, Emma finally collapsed at the base of a gnarled tree. The figure stood before her, its eyes boring into her soul. The whispers grew louder, their words now clear. Join us. Become one with the shadows. Emma's mind reeled, torn between fear and a strange, irresistible allure. In that moment, the first light of dawn began to break through the trees. The figure recoiled, its form dissipating like smoke in the morning breeze. The whispers faded into the daylight, leaving Emma alone and trembling. She stumbled back into the town, her hair disheveled, her eyes haunted. From that day on, Emma was never the same. The horrors of the forest had marked her, their whispers echoing in her mind even in the safety of daylight. She became a recluse, shunning the company of others, forever haunted by the specter of that fateful night. And so, the legend of the haunted forest in Ravenswood endured, a cautionary tale passed down through generations. The townsfolk knew better than to venture into the woods after dark, for the whispers in the shadows were all too real, a siren's call to those who dared to listen.
And there you have it. With the combined power of ChatGPT and Pictory AI, you've created a captivating video ready for YouTube. Now remember, it's all about engaging content and consistent effort. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. Leave your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to get to know you better. Until next time.